Hey y'all, this is just a really quick video going over how to actually fill out this assignment. This is more so for my in-person students, but this is for everyone because I didn't get around to it. So when you're actually filling out your, first of all, this assignment should be shared with you. If it's not, please let me know as soon as possible. But as you can see here, this is the first page. The rest of them are where you actually write your drafts and where you actually write, you will get your feedback from. But yeah, so first off, over here, we have the prompt section. So you're literally just going to copy and paste the question into here. This is just so that we know which one you're answering. And then after that, you're going to do your main story in a tweet. So that means 30 words or less. So yeah, like just as you can see from me, my main one was just the summer going to my junior year of high school. I was an English tutor for a family friend's daughter who was struggling in English. Well, okay, I could probably take off I could probably just change this to like who's struggling in school, but whatever. So yeah, so as you can see, it's very straightforward. I like that's just the main premise of the story. Followed by that, I list some of the emotions that I experienced on my journey. So here we have the link to the feelings and needs exercise. So here are just some of the feelings that you might be able to pull from, but you don't have to just use that. But this is to get you thinking about how you felt during that experience. Followed by that, we have key qualities. So you don't want to do too many of these, at most 5. I did 3. I think that that's a pretty good medium. But yeah, so the key qualities of my story were better preparing my student for English class, learning to work with younger children, and serving as a mentor. So these key qualities were often things that are that reflect what my values are, my strengths, or what my goals or talents are. So yeah, so once again, it's pretty straightforward. And then afterwards, you're going to be writing in here. And that's pretty much it. So this is all you have to do for now. All right, cool. All right, that's it, everyone. This is just a very brief video going over that. I hope that this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm in your Slack channel. Yeah, and I will see you all next week. Well, not next week, but the week after that. All right, bye-bye.